What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison of Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy and Bad Boy Le Parfum. Let's get the Bad Boy comparison out of the way. This is an eau de toilette, but it performs much more powerfully than that. I would say it performs quite similarly to the Le Parfum. In fact, I sprayed this on quite a few hours ago and it's just as strong as when I first applied it. I mean, one spray to the neck and this thing is still radiating, it is still projecting, it is incredibly powerful. I've seen a couple of comments online about the performance being quite poor. That is not my experience. In my experience, this is an incredible performer. Le Parfum, I think, from my own experience with this one, is not quite as potent because it is a softer fragrance. This is warm, a little spicy, and it's got a rich cacao note, so it's quite similar to chocolate. Le Parfum, on the other hand, it's a leather cannabis scent, so it's got that smokiness, it's got a leather vibe. It's a very nice scent. I still prefer Le Parfum to the classic Bad Boy, but both fragrances are phenomenal in my opinion. I haven't given Bad Boy Eau de Toilette a full day wear, but I can almost guarantee you I probably won't even need to apply some more of this before I bartend. It is a very powerful scent. I'm very impressed with how this is performing with just one spray. So if your skin works anything like mine, just be careful when you're wearing this because it is potent, and I would say ease up on the sprays, 2 to 3 maximum. Bad Boy Le Parfum, on the other hand, it's a softer scent, so you can apply 1 or 2 more sprays depending on how long you want it to last for. This performs for about 12 hours on my skin. It does soften around the 6-hour mark, but it's still quite noticeable. But from what I can tell, Le Parfum is still the softer fragrance. Both Bad Boy scents are more casual and are ideal for going out. I probably wouldn't recommend them on occasions where you've got to get suited and booted, as we say here in Australia. But I think if you're going to a more upscale bar or something similar, where you're wearing a blazer, a nice pair of slacks, boots, this is going to serve you pretty well, but in an office environment, I would probably recommend something less overtly in your face. I think both fragrances are worth owning purely because they smell quite different. I would say there's a DNA there, a thread of DNA that connects them both, but they're just quite different. This is peppery, spicy in the opening, and it's got a rich amber note and some cacao, whereas this has that burst of freshness, it's aromatic, and it's got that green, smoky cannabis note with leather as well. This is the more mature scent, this is younger and more in your face. Both are ideal for the nighttime and the colder weather. I don't think either of these would work in summer, but I think somebody would wear Bad Boy Eau de Toilette in the same situations that they would wear Paco Rabanne's 1 Million. I personally think this is vastly superior to 1 Million. I've said it before and I'll say it again, 1 Million is the most overused, overrated fragrance in history. Probably a little controversial. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with me or if you disagree with me. But for the most part, I think they're both well worth owning. Le Parfum is my fragrance of choice. However, the performance of Eau de Toilette is just phenomenal. It's an incredibly performing scent, and I think most men would benefit from owning something so powerful in their collection. Well, that about sums up my thoughts on Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy and Bad Boy Le Parfum. If you've ever worn either of these fragrances, let me know in the comments below, as I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.